for watching this quick video about how to use a Woods Power Grip mounting cup. Remove the pad cover and any other protective materials. Every WPG mounting cup consists of a mount, a pump with a red line indicator, and a vacuum pad. Before using a mounting cup, make sure that the pad surface is clean and free from damage. The surface you're attaching to must also be clean. When ready to attach the cup, simply hold the cup against the surface and pump the plunger until the red line disappears. Now it's safe to use the mounting cup. To release the cup, simply pull the tab on either side of the pad. When the red line indicator reappears, you can remove the cup. Today we have a camera attached to our 6-inch mounting cup. However, WPG mounting cups can support GPS units, spotting scopes, cell phones, binoculars, and much more. And as you can see, using our cups is quick and easy. Thank you for joining us today.